Good morning, dear students. Today in EVS class, I am going to discuss our next topic, that is water cycle. Having in your book page number 133. So all of you please open your EVS book, open page number 133 and watch the video very properly and try to understand what I am discussing here. Okay, so let's start. Dear students, last day I discussed about sources of water. I hope you understood. Today I am going to discuss about water cycle. So let's know about water cycle. Water cycle means moving of water continuously or turning of water continuously. This is called water cycle. See here written, water circulates on our planet in a cyclical way. Means water is turning continuously on the earth. Our planet is earth, no? In a cyclical way. Means like a cycle, water is moving or turning. Okay. This is called water cycle. Let us see how this happens. So go to next page and see how this happens. See, this is the picture of water cycle. Water is moving continuously. See, this is water, this is evaporation, sun, then this is cloud and then rain. Okay, again rain coming to water bodies. Okay, means water of the water bodies rises up, okay, due to heat of the sun or sun rays and form vapor. This is vapor. Vapor we cannot see because vapor is the gaseous form of water. Gas we cannot see, isn't it? So from the then this evaporates and from these clouds. When the clouds heavy, it could not or cannot hold here in the sky or in the surface of the earth. So they fall down on the earth as rain. This is rain. Okay. And rainwater again come to the water bodies and again this process is going on. So this is a continuous process or ongoing process. Okay. So here you can see water from oceans, rivers and other water bodies gets heated by sun rays. So these are the water bodies and heated by these water bodies. This is and heated by the sun rays. This is sun. Okay. Evaporates and changes to water vapor. Evaporates means dry up and changes into water vapor, and this is also evaporation. Okay. When the water vapor rises up, it meets cool air and changes again into water. It meets cool air and changes again into what? Water in the form of tiny droplets. So this is formed here in the air and form another formation also there. This is called tiny droplets. Okay, this is not so heavy. This is light. Tiny droplets are light. This phenomenon is known as condensation. Okay. Now, these tiny droplets of water combine to form clouds. So, these water droplets combine together or join together and make clouds. Okay. This is clouds. When the clouds become heavy with these droplets, so these droplets come to this and join to these clouds, and when the clouds become heavy, okay, weighty, then they fall down on the earth as rain. So that time when they are very heavy, that time they cannot hold in the air or in the atmosphere. So they fall down as rain. This is rain. Okay. This phenomena is known as precipitation. When the clouds heavy and form rain, this is called precipitation. The entire process of water turning into water vapor and then again into water is called water cycle. This all procedure is known as water cycle. So this rain is again joined to the water bodies. Then again water rises up and form clouds, evaporates, form vapor and then evaporates. Then again form two clouds and again rain, again water. This is again rain, again water. This is the process of water cycle. It means the moving of water continuously is called water cycle. I hope you understood this. Now you see here boil some water in a kettle. This is the kettle, and kettle is on fire. This is boil. The water inside the water is boiling. Once the water starts boiling, you will see vapor coming out from the spouts. This is spout, and what vapor is coming. This is vapor. Okay. Now hold a spoon near the mouth of the spout over the vapor. So one boy or girl is holding a spoon, okay, over this vapor. You will see water droplets on the underside of the spoon. Then this vapor, whenever this vapor come to this, touch to this or collect to this spoon, that time this form water droplets and fall down. See, this is water droplets and fall down on the earth. From where did these water droplets come? Understood that how water droplets come from the vapor, okay, and coming to the spoon and after then falling down on the earth. Now see water supply. So water supply means how we are getting water at our home or in our home. Water reaches our homes after various stages. Various stages are there through which we are getting water. First, water is transferred from a river or lake to a water treatment plant. This is water treatment plant. Water coming from the river or water bodies through pipeline, and in this water treatment plant. At this plant, disease-causing germs and other impure things, impure means not pure, and disease-causing means some types of medicine. Impure things are removed from water and it gets purified for domestic use. Domestic use, you can say household use. So here some medicine mixes up and purify the water for our daily use, for our household use. Okay. After this, the pure water is stored in huge tanks and supplied to houses through pipelines. So this is after purifying the water, this is collect in a tank, big tank. After that, from this tank we are getting water in our house through pipeline. Now you see drinking water. See, this is drinking water. You all know about drinking water. Means what type of water we are drinking, okay, and good for our health also. All places do not have a sound water supply system. Means all places do not have a perfect water supply system like our area or our house, okay. There are places where villages have wells and tanks. This is one village, this is well, okay. So some villages have wells and tanks. There are places where people have to walk long distances to fetch water. So some area also there in India where some people fetching water by walking a very long distance. See, this is the path from there, this side they are coming to here, and from here they are collecting water and taking to their house. In some other places, particularly in rural areas, rural you can say village areas, and urban slums you can say also in city area but backward, okay, backward areas. People may have to stand in queues. This is queue, okay, one after another, this is queue. So some area also there, some backward area also there in India nowadays also, where people are getting water by making a queue, and one by one after another they are collecting water or they are getting water. People stand queue for hours before they get a bucket full of water. Bucket full, this is pitcher, not bucket. Bucket you can say, in Bengali we say balti, okay, bucket. So they spend more times or many hours they stand in a line and collect only one bucket of water, one full bucket of water. So their water is for them very water is very means precious things there, precious thing there for them. And our area also water is always precious, but they are very facing many problem to collect water, to getting water. Now see clean water. Water we get from taps. Clean water means how to clean the water, means drinking water always should be clean, no? So how water will be cleaned? Here see. Water we get from taps or wells may carry disease causing germs. So whatever we are getting from our taps at our house, in our house, these are not free from disease causing. They are all disease causing germs having in the water. So we cannot drink it. So this is not fit for drinking, isn't it? To keep ourselves free from such germs, so we need to keep ourselves free the germs, okay, from germs free water. We need to drink clean water, isn't it? We always drink clean water, and we have to drink clean water. Drinking water is known as potable water, means whatever we drink, what water we drink, this is called potable water. There are many ways in which germs and impurities can be removed from water. So many ways are there to remove water and make it pure. One common way is to boil water. So you all know that boiled water is always pure. Okay. So one common way is this. Okay, boiled water, which kills germs. Boiled water kills germs. Another way of purifying water is to filter it. Okay. This is also a water purifier, and in some of our houses have this, and some of our houses have filter also. So this is another process of purify water. Filtering removes dust particles. Dust particles, you can say, means small particles of dust or soil, okay, and mud from water. Mud also same sticky substance of soil, okay, but it does not kill germs. So filtering, what to do? Filtering only dust particles and mud removed, but not kill germs. Filter has no capacity to kill germs. Okay. Now there are special filters that use UV rays. UV rays means ultraviolet rays. A radiation, okay, comes from the sun, which has power to kill germs. So today's filter at present many filters are there with UV rays protection to kill germs. Okay, it is also important that we use clean and covered vessels to store water. So whenever we drink water, we have to, whenever we keep water to drink or for drink, we always cover the water body, cover the bucket, cover the pitcher like this, cover the filter also, because uncovered water is not good for our health. And whenever we store water, that time also we have to cover it. Okay. So up to this much for today. Next day I will discuss others. Okay. I hope you understood.